Good idea.
Alright, here we go.
Hey, Bill.
What?
Okay, now let's just let's think about this for one moment.
I know. Yeah, I know.
Okay, now here's the thing. There's no
I'm
way.
trying to think
Bill,
about this.
Bill, there's no
This
way.
kid thinks he can beat me, okay?
Bill, there's no way you can win. Here's how I
I'll
can tell you that.
win 2-1, okay?
No,
There's
no.
no chance in win hell I could beat him, right?
You can't win, and you
He's
know
the
why?
wrestling
If
champ of
you
the
do
school.
win, if you do
I
win,
know one thing for sure. That
Chalabi,
fucker's
if you do win,
squirrely.
Chalabi,
I know
you're
one
right
thing
in the
for
slammer.
sure.
It's
That
true.
he's a
It's true.
squirrely motherfucker. That's all I know.
There's no way you can win.
And the wife will come after you.
That's true. And she's a tigress.
Alright, come on, motherfucker.
Am I right?
Let's go.
Well, I think we both go after him.
Okay, Mama, hold the camera, hold the camera.
You're not gonna. No.
Wait, wait.
What am I doing?
We're thumb wrestling.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, click some big. Go.
One, two.
Alright. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, click some big. Go.
1, 2, 3.
I got most of it. You're bouncing around pretty good.
Whatever, Tony. You know what?
What?
You would never hit the wrestling mat with me. You might be able to beat up your little chumly little friends and stuff at your school and stuff, okay? You know what? But if you and me ever hit the wrestling mat, you know who's gonna win?
Me?
It's gonna be me. Me. No. You know why it's gonna be me?
Why?
Because I outweigh you by about 2 to 1.
Yeah,
That's how come.
so it's like almost everyone else on the
I
team.
will be the winner, man.
What do you weigh? What do you weigh?
What do you mean, like
Like in pounds.
Okay, go get on the scale.
Like in pounds.
about 180 pounds, okay?
Oh, no way. 160.
60 pounds.
Yeah.
Soaking wet.
So you guys are about 50 pounds apart.
Alright. I will beat your ass, man. That's what I will
doing
do.
this. Bill, there's laws. You can't beat up children.
Yeah.
But why? What did he do?
Judy, he is slowly becoming not a child.
Slowly not
No,
becoming.
there's no understand there.
He's growing out of
He
his
is
childhood, I think. is what
Growing
he's
up,
called.
and he is no longer a child.
I've noticed Allie has done the same thing.
I noticed that.
Yes? They used to be
Charlie?
kids.
Yeah, she's
Yeah.
not becoming a child.
Turn off the
Yes.
camera, man.
You
Okay.
Guys, you guys were kids, man. Do you know